Well, welcome back everybody to another episode of Mikentires. For everybody who doesn't know, I am Mike, and we talk about cars and anything car related here. Today, we're going to be talking about a Redline OPT7 60-inch triple LED tailgate light bar. My gosh, that is a mouthful. Now, I didn't install it on the vehicle yet. I do have it right here for you guys to see. There's so many options. I looked around everywhere online, different reviews. They got construction version ones that are upwards of $900, $800, which blew my mind. I didn't want to spend that much, but I really wanted to get something that was solid, not just a little flimsy RGB strip that you like stick on your computer or on your wall or something. I want something that's going to last a long time. I plan on keeping the truck for a long time, but also not interfere with any of my towing or stuff like that. And I feel that this is going to give me the best overall look and brightness across the board. It comes in a 48-inch or a 60-inch length. So if you have a smaller truck versus bigger truck, this particular one has 1200 LEDs. They say they have a 300% brightness over standard LEDs with a lifespan of over 30,000 hours. I picked this particular light bar because this has so many LEDs. It gives me a solid beam of light across, not just individual spots like you get on some of the less expensive ones. Now this one is weatherproof. It comes in an aluminum case and it's sealed up front as well, so it should last me for a long time. Now, like most of the other ones, it has a sticky back, so it is hassle-free installation, no drilling. It comes with the adhesive pack. They call it the Tough as Nails adhesive enhancer to make it 5 times stronger, so that way this doesn't fall off. It does have a little bit of weight to it. And to keep it simple, it plugs into a 4-pin trailer, and if you want the reverse light on this one, it has a cable to tie into reverse lights, which I'll actually tag into my 7-pin connector. This particular light bar, you may need a triple row rear sensor 4-pin module on it. I don't think I need that on my truck, but vehicles that have the rear camera and the parking sensors, sometimes when you plug into the 4-pin, if it's tied in together, it causes a problem. So they're saying you may need that. It costs about 15 bucks on Amazon. I'll put a link below for you in case you're interested in it. This one does come with a 2-year warranty, and this actual unit itself costs about $95. I really wanted to make it bright so people know when I'm stopping. Plus, I wanted to look good on, it's going on the Platinum F-150. So it's got to look good. It's a Platinum edition, come on. So my reasons for buying this mainly is so many car accidents I've been in because I'm coming to a stop and people slam into me and say, I didn't see you stopping. Don't know what kind of stupid excuse that is, but it is what it is. I'm still here. The other people hit me are still here. Fine, moving on. So again, the solid beam look all the way across, how bright it is, and the fact that it's actually mounted in an aluminum case to keep it lasting up for a long time. And then the other reason I bought it was for the ease of install. Now I could have actually already installed this, but I'm not gonna make a whole separate video on that because I'm not gonna install it the way they say to. F-150s don't have a flat space between the tailgate and the bumper for me to install this on. It's got a few dips and rises in there, and it also recesses pretty far back. I feel like it's not going to be seen as much because it's going to be so far back there. So I really want to bring it up to that little gap that's in between the tailgate and the bumper, but I need to fabricate some sort of hardware to make that happen, which I'll show you guys in another video. Other pluses for this particular light bar is it has turn signals as well. So, and they're sequential, just like you find on the old Mustangs where the light starts from the middle. So if I'm turning this direction, I put turn signal on, the lights will go zoop, zoop, zoop down the side on both sides. And you get the option of getting them in a red turn signal or an amber turn signal. This particular one is coming with the red turn signals because my F-150 has red turn signal lights on it. And I went to match what my F-150 has, so that way it's a cleaner install and looks better when it's on the truck. Guess after we install, we'll find out. Pretty much everything on this, I mean, I'm super stoked for it. I really want to put it on. Well, make sure to subscribe so you guys catch when I make that video to show you how I'm going to mount it on my F-150. Until next time, catch you later. Peace.